in the state of Maharashtra. Now caught unawares after Ajit Pawar's surprise Sunday switch, all players in Maharashtra politics are now planning the way ahead. In a late night meeting after returning to Mumbai, Sharad Pawar met his legal counsel to seek his opinion. The founder of NCP, who promised a resurrection after rupture, has also called a meeting of all party office bearers on Wednesday, a gathering that will serve as a status check of sorts for support behind Sharad Pawar. But that is not the only headache that faces Pawar Senior, because voices in Aghari, specifically from Congress, are striking a discordant note over Team Sharad's claim to LOP post. The party has also called a meeting of all its legislators, just like Uddhav Thackeray, who has seen second political setback to his fortunes in a year.
There is no discussion. It is something that will be discussed decided by the Assembly, the Speaker. Having said that, I'm sure all three parties will put their heads together. We continue to be in an alliance. We'll put our heads together and we'll ensure that whoever is appointed as a leader of opposition holds this government to account. We saw the entire time duration that Ajit Pawar ji was the leader of opposition. We saw how he allowed Mr. Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde to get away with a lot of accountability that we were seeking was not sought. So whoever does take that position will have the responsibility of holding this government to account, illegal, illegitimate, unconstitutional government to account.
अभी आप देख सकते हो, मैं अभी फिलहाल अजीत पवार के बंगले पे खड़ा हूँ, जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो क्लियरली यहाँ पे देखा जा रहा है कि ये जो पोस्टर है वो जिसमें जितेंद्र आव्हाड और जयंत पाटिल जी का नाम है, जहाँ पे बंटी बबली लिखा गया है। आप क्लियरली देख सकते हो कि बंटी बबली, जितेंद्र आव्हाड और उसके साथ साथ जयंत पाटिल, इनके ऊपर क्रॉस लिखा गया है। और उनका कहना ये है कि हम बंटी बबली और ये इसके लिए कह रहे हैं क्योंकि ये दो लोग हैं, इन दोनों की वजह से आज पवार घर में, पवार की फैमिली में और पार्टी में जो है वो फूट निर्माण हुई है, इसीलिए हम इन्हें बंटी बबली कह रहे हैं।
Now it is the Pawar play which may have changed the political destiny of the state. Some call it a defection, others call it compulsion. But no matter how you view it, it appears to be one of the biggest coup which has ripples across India. Ajit Pawar has staged a coup against his uncle Sharad Pawar and now claims that he represents the real NCP. Well, the day after Ajit and 8 MLAs rebelled, it is about showing strength. Ajit Pawar's camp claims that it has support of over 40 MLAs. He then met Devendra Fadnavis, and this picture speaks louder than 1,000 words about the change in power dynamics in the Sarkar. Meanwhile, Sharad Pawar was greeted by a sea of supporters at Karad. Flower petals were showered on him and he gave a message to the cadres to stay united in face of the BJP breaching opposition ranks. He in fact claims that the MLAs who revolted were misled by the BJP and now are willing to return to the NCP fold.
ये मेरा फास्ट एक्सपीरियंस 2-3 बार ऐसा है, इसलिए कितने गए, कौन गए, इसकी जांच मैं कभी करता नहीं हूँ। जो मेरी आज की जो शुरुआत है, ये शुरुआत आगे का रिजल्ट ठीक आएगा, इसके लिए है।
Every MLA of NCP is precious to us. हम सबको प्यार भी करते हैं और मान और सम्मान करते हैं। अभी हर MLA जो NCP का आज है, उसके लिए हमारे मन में प्यार, विश्वास और आदर ही है और रहेगा। उसके बाद कौन क्या करेगा वो आगे देखेंगे। द स्टोरी विल अनफोल्ड इन 2-3 days, बट हम साथ में एक फैमिली की तरह रहे हैं और मेरे मन में उनके लिए हमेशा प्यार ही रहेगा।
हमें किसी पे अन्याय नहीं करना चाहिए और हम उनको पूरा मौका देंगे वापस आने का, लेकिन साथ साथ में जो नहीं आते हैं, जो पार्टी की लाइन छोड़ के जाते हैं, उनके ऊपर आवश्यक जो कानूनी कार्रवाई है वो हम इवेंचुअली